It's the weekend now. We're going to take on another project. We're going to build a bike ramp. We're going to use some of the material we have left over here, and I think we have enough. We just need some plywood and some 2x4s, and we're going to put this ramp together. Maybe one is okay.
Nail?
We're going to use this plywood as the top of the ramp. Just so I can mark these. There you go. Okay, that's one. I wonder if the other side fits too, but we're going to make a cut. I mark out and cut this one piece of plywood on a diagonal in order to create the sides of the ramp. Just to make sure the plywood doesn't move when I make the cut, I'm fastening it to another piece of plywood underneath it with a couple of screws. These pieces should work well for the sides. Now I have to cut out the 2x4s that will hold the side pieces together. I have to cut out about 6 or 7 pieces in order to give the ramp some strength and stability. Now we join the two sides together with the 2x4s.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Does it fit? Does it fit? Kind of. Fits? All right. The top piece is a bit short, and I don't want to put a small strip of plywood here because it may break off when you're riding a bike up the ramp. So I'm cutting a piece off the top plywood in order to make way for a larger strip. This piece will work much better. Once I screw in the top pieces of plywood, the ramp is done. Right, that was a quick little weekend project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm on to the next project. We'll see you next time.